Hi YouTubers, I hope you're okay. My name is Orya Deisraeli from oryavocaltraining.com. In this video, I'll help you understand easily and effortlessly why a breathy voice is not good for you and why actually it can cause damage to your vocal folds if it's been going on for long periods of time. It's been researched by the highest authorities of the vocal science in USA, and it shows that people who have nodules on their vocal folds used to be hoarse, used to have hoarseness in their voice, or used to have a breathy voice for a long time, and they never went to examine their voice or treat it with a professional vocal therapist or doctor. They never even think that there was something wrong with their voices. So breathy voice can cause hoarseness that may lead to worse condition, that may cause losing your voice or need to be silent or not to speak for long terms of times, and not to consider surgery, which is something sometimes people go through. So if you're a singer and you feel the following: losing power when you sing, feel very tired after singing only one song, if you have a very weak voice, you feel the running out of air while you sing, and reaching the very high pitch is completely out of your reach, that may, all those may be signs that you have a breathy voice, and I really warmly recommend that you go or to a nose and throat doctor, or go to a voice teacher, a certified voice teacher that can assess your voice and give you some tips how you can go through a process of healing it. Yes, voices can be healed even from the hardest conditions or the hardest findings. So keep it up, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you can, share this information with singers or friends who need this information that can help their voice. I would really appreciate it. If you want to make an appointment for a voice assessment, please send me an email to this email, oryadi@gmail.com, oryadi@gmail.com, and you can go and purchase my complete course for singers from beginners to intermediate in my website, oryavocaltraining.com. So thank you very much for listening, and keep your voice healthy and well till next time. Bye.